guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Poonam and I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle, makeup videos on every Friday and sometimes bonus videos around the week. So before going ahead with this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Well, today's video is yet another makeup tutorial video, guys. Today I have experimented with my looks. So I have created this eye makeup look with my favorite blue lipstick. By this time you already know because my DP, my profile picture over YouTube is with blue lipstick. You guys know how much I love blue lipstick. And also guys, today I'll be also announcing the March giveaway winner as well. And this time I'm not doing any lucky draw in front of you guys because it consumes a lot of time. For that reason I have already did the lucky draw and you can see the name flashing on the screen. So yes guys, that's a new thing that I have added in this video, because I feel that lucky draw, you keep on doing it, and people who are not loyal subscribers and all, they also come into that scenario. But this time I made sure that a loyal subscriber of mine should win the giveaway. For that reason I didn't do lucky draw in front of you guys, and it also takes a lot of time. And now onwards I will announce the giveaway winner on the screen, so you can check that out. So also guys, there's the April giveaway is open, and it's pretty cool and perfect for the season, spring summer season. So yes, without further ado, let's go.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the storm. everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Like this makeup look, guys. What do you guys think? Like, me trying. I love bold colors, guys. You name the color, I will do the tutorial for you guys. I already did black, gray, and this time I'm doing this blue one. You just name the color, bold colors you want to see. I will do that for you guys. So I really like what you guys think about this makeup look, because I tried something new. Because of my eyes, you can see that it's pretty yellow. So it's pretty yellow, along with some graphic liner over here. I feel like, Queen of Cheetah, yeah, with blue lipstick. I find it very funny. So yes, guys, this is the makeup look. I hope you like it. Now the giveaway things, like, March giveaway winner is this one. Congratulations to you. Please do send me your contact details, and along with the shipping address, along with some kind of ID proof, because that will help me to connect you. My business email ID is down in the description box and also in my about me section, so do check it out and do send me your details as soon as you watch this video. Now the April giveaway, guys. April giveaway is as always really cool. Like, my giveaways are always cool, you have to admit it, guys. So for the April giveaway, I thought of the summers and you need some pampering, so I'm giving away this diamond facial kit by Joy. The brand Joy, recently I came across to this brand over Nykaa. And this is the facial kit, guys, and it's not sachet one. Don't worry, it's not that VLCC or some other brand which gives sachet things and all. This is not the sachet one. You can see the kit is quite big, and it contains diamond scrubs cleanser, diamond brightening cream, diamond shine pack, diamond skin polish cream, and also, guys, with this pack you get a face wash free. Yes. So let me show you. This is the kit, guys, facial kit. Along with this you get this face wash free. So this is the facial kit, diamond facial kit. Along with that you will win a Wetnwild lipstick, which is in the shade dark wine color, because I love bold colors and I want my family at least should try some bold lip color. So this is Wetnwild lip color in the shade dark wine. So this is the lip color. It's packed, so I don't want to open it and ruin it because it will be somebody's giveaway. Now the giveaway rules, guys. First of all, you have to subscribe to my channel. There is no such negotiation. You have to subscribe me. And second thing is that you have to follow me in all my social media links. All my social media handles are down in the description box. Make sure you check that out. And also, guys, do comment down below about this look or anything you want to ask me, any question related to beauty, makeup, lifestyle, and basically about me. If you want to ask any question, do type it down in the comment section below along with the hashtag participated. And yes, guys, do participate in my giveaway. I do giveaway every month. So for 2018, I made a resolution that I'll be conducting giveaways every month for my loyal subscriber. And yes, please participate in my giveaway. So yes, guys, I love you and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post videos on my channel. And yes, guys, love you so much. Take care and bye bye.